Gliding through water with power and precision, the Edge K4 redefines your kayaking and diving experience. Built for adventurers who demand speed, control, and intelligent engineering, this underwater scooter weighs just 2.2 pounds but delivers up to 19.8 pounds of thrust. Its lightweight profile hides serious capability. Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless integration with smart devices, while intuitive controls offer unmatched precision steering beneath the surface. When every second counts and power disruption isn't an option, the Eank Power Strip stands as your ultimate gaming companion. Engineered for elite setups and demanding devices, this 200-watt powerhouse charges up to 7 gadgets at once without losing speed or efficiency. Its advanced PD 3.1 fast-charging technology built on GAN architecture delivers reliable high-speed energy transfer, powering laptops, tablets, smartphones, and gaming gear in sync. No more bulky pockets or disorganized essentials. This refined system redefines what an everyday carry card holder should be. Crafted for precision and built with function in mind, the VMAG modular combination card holder system gives you control over how you carry, access, and use your daily tools. Whether you're navigating a busy workday or heading out for a weekend mission, this card holder adapts to your pace and needs. Skip the store-bought blends loaded with additives. This streamlined system lets you create your own nut, grain, or vegetable drinks right at home. Faster, cleaner, and more satisfying than traditional methods. Everything happens in a single 24 ounces container. Soak your almonds, blend your oats, filter your veggies, and remove the pulp all in one go. No mess. No need for extra tools or multiple bowls. Few travel machines blur the boundaries between land, water, and shelter quite like the Triton. Born from a bold vision of eco-adventure, this 3-in-1 amphibious marvel merges the comforts of a micro-camper with the mobility of an electric boat and trike. Designed to seat two and built to tread softly across terrain and tides, the Triton redefines how we connect with nature, silently, sustainably, and without limits. Say goodbye to bulky water containers and messy vacuum bags. This revolutionary waterless one-stop sous vide cooker reinvents home cooking with an all-in-one sous vide cooker that simplifies gourmet preparation. Its dry cooking chamber uses a patented heating method that locks in juices and flavor while eliminating the need for circulating water. With adjustable temperature control accurate to 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit and a capacity that fits cuts up to 2 inches thick, steaks, fish, and vegetables reach tender perfection every time. In a world that moves too fast, the Mindy clock invites you to slow down. This handcrafted timepiece isn't just a clock, it's a reminder to be present. Built around a wabi-sabi aesthetic, it honors simplicity, imperfection, and the quiet strength of natural materials. Whether on your desk, shelf, or bedside table, the Mindy clock blends into your space while gently guiding you towards stillness. The soft, non-ticking movement promotes calm, making it easier to build mindful rituals. The Pool Blaster Max Cordless Pool Vacuum redefines pool cleaning efficiency with powerful, streamlined performance. Powered by the innovative WaterTech P30 motor, this vacuum offers significantly increased suction, making debris pickup swift and thorough. Thanks to its lithium-ion battery, the Pool Blaster Max operates for up to 1 hour on a single charge, giving you the freedom to clean without constant recharging. In a world where kitchens deserve to stay clean and odor-free, Almaway steps in as the modern solution to an age-old problem: food waste. Instead of letting scraps pile up and rot in a bin, Almaway offers a smarter way forward. With just one button, your leftovers are transformed into nutrient-rich compost without the foul smell, sticky leaks, or daily trips to the outdoor trash. The Toughbuilt Gel Fit knee pads set the standard for comfort, durability, and performance in demanding work environments. The adjustable elastic and EVA straps, along with a secure buckle system, keep the knee pad in place, offering a snug fit without cutting off circulation. Crafted with abrasion-resistant 1680D fabric and a rugged double-injected shell, these knee pads provide protection and durability. Turn every page into an immersive, eye-friendly experience with the 10.3-inch BigMe Inknote color. This innovative e-ink tablet harnesses the latest Kaleido 3 display, providing a sharp black and white resolution of 2480 by 1860 at 300 pixels per inch and crisp color clarity at 1240 by 930 with 150 ppi. Revolutionize your fitness journey with a cutting-edge home gym that offers personalized training like no other. This smart home gym takes the guesswork out of exercise, automatically adjusting the resistance to match your strength levels and helping you progress at your own pace. With a comprehensive range of expert-led workouts from strength training to yoga, mobility, and high-intensity interval training, you have everything you need to build a versatile fitness routine. Wind-lashed trails and soaked boots don't mean discomfort anymore. The Hedgehog Go changes the way adventurers stay dry. At just 12.3 ounces, this compact powerhouse tucks easily into any backpack, delivering pro-level drying performance wherever you are. With a blistering 105,000 RPM motor and a punchy 700 watts of output, this dual-use dryer blasts warm, focused air through your hair in under 3 minutes and restores soaked hiking boots in just 12. Engineered for exceptional pool cleaning performance, the Aper Seagull Pro sets a new standard with its cutting-edge design and advanced technology. The Seagull Pro's 200-watt peak power output makes it the most powerful cordless robotic pool cleaner on the market, delivering impressive suction strength and thorough cleaning across various pool surfaces. Equipped with a high-capacity 7,800 mAh battery, the Seagull Pro provides an industry-leading 150-minute runtime. When lawn care meets machine intelligence, the result is precision without compromise. The AirSeekers Tron transforms how homeowners approach yard work. Engineered for complex yards, this smart device navigates seamlessly with 360-degree AI vision navigation, identifying obstacles and rerouting with smart collision avoidance. No bumping, no guessing. Unlike traditional systems, there's no need for perimeter wiring or dealing with signal issues. Forget the noisy gas generators or lugging melting bags of ice to your campsite. The Flextail Evo Icer is engineered for serious outdoor performance, bringing reliable ice-making power wherever your next adventure takes you. Equipped with a robust 200-watt-hour internal battery, this compact unit can churn out 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes, thanks to its advanced Ice Burst X rapid refrigeration technique. Unleash barista-level results from the comfort of your kitchen with a foam maker designed for precision and performance. Whether you prefer delicate microfoam or dense, spoonable peaks, this device delivers professional quality results in seconds. Its dual whisk technology allows for both thin and thick milk foam, ensuring a flawless pour over espresso, cold brew, or matcha. Built to handle up to 24 fluid ounces, this frother suits both single servings and group gatherings. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about flexibility, and the Leapow Dual Views delivers both in a sleek 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display built for real productivity. Whether you're deep into code, editing visuals, or managing spreadsheets, its 1080p resolution brings clarity without straining your eyes, thanks to an advanced eye care screen. Designed with mobility in mind, it weighs just under 1.7 pounds and slips easily into your laptop bag. Engineered for professionals who demand uncompromising control over their workstation layout, the Aries Wing dual monitor arm sets a new standard for stability, strength, and adjustability. designed to accommodate ultra-wide and curved monitors ranging from 17 to 49 inches. This vertical stacking system supports up to 22 pounds per arm, making it ideal for creative pros, developers, and traders alike. Clarity meets control in every inch of your workspace with SecDeck's ultra-wide high-definition touchscreen. This isn't just a display, it's an interface that transforms how you interact with your tools, files, and creative flow. Measuring over 17 inches diagonally, the panel delivers crisp resolution and finger-sensitive navigation, letting you glide through tasks with zero friction. Slide between full-screen main views with seamless transitions, maximizing your layout with every swipe. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Leani PixCut S1 merges three essential tools: printer, laminator, and cutter into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable, waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the PixCut S1 do the rest. Thanks to built-in AI image extraction, the learning curve disappears. Upload any photo or doodle, and the system intelligently removes backgrounds, creates cut lines, and delivers professional-looking results without design software. Whether you're a parent labeling lunchboxes or an artist launching a sticker shop, the PixCut S1 empowers you to craft with confidence. Producing crisp 300 dot-per-inch images in over 16.7 million colors, each print emerges laminated, fade-proof, and scratch-resistant. Power your devices with unmatched precision and versatility using the Sharky X 3-in-1 magnetic power bank. Built with an advanced dual magnetic design, it securely snaps onto compatible phones, smartwatches, and earbuds for effortless charging, no cables required. The ultra-strong magnetic force ensures a stable connection even while you're on the move. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this compact unit delivers multiple charges in one go. Whether you're topping off your phone or giving your earbuds a boost, the fast-charging technology gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Engineered with 8 safety features including overvoltage and temperature protection, the Sharky X safeguards your devices and itself under all conditions. Shaped with intent and engineered for precision, the Anknife Zenol stands as a striking evolution in modern folding knife design. World-renowned knife maker Ken Onion took inspiration from the sharp geometric style of the Olight Arcfeld flashlight, trading soft curves for purposeful, linear architecture. The result is a bold, industrial statement piece that slices through tradition just as cleanly as it does materials. Every angle of the Zenol reflects thoughtful design, from the machined aluminum handle to the smooth, assisted flipper action. After extensive prototyping through 3D printing and rounds of real-world testing, this final version preserves the exact vision first imagined. No compromise on form or function. At just under 4.5 inches closed and weighing approximately 3.8 ounces, it's the perfect balance of carry comfort and cutting power. Gone are the days of awkward setups and clunky gear. The Lawn Chariot transforms how you approach outdoor lounging and gear hauling with a smart, compact design that moves when you do. With its fold-and-go structure, this versatile tool adapts to your needs. Built for portability, it folds down fast and fits neatly in your trunk. As a wagon, it hauls coolers, chairs, and more across grass, sand, or pavement with ease. When it's time to relax, flip it into a sturdy, ergonomic chair designed for comfort without compromise. At just under 28 pounds, it's light enough for one-person carry, yet strong enough to support your full setup. Quick setup, smooth transport, and a reliable frame make the Lawn Chariot a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts who don't want to sacrifice comfort or convenience. The Carbon AI LED backpack merges technology with practicality, offering a unique blend of style and functionality. Equipped with customizable LED displays, users can express themselves by showcasing personalized messages or animations, powered by advanced AI technology. Ideal for content creators, professionals, and daily commuters, this backpack brings innovation to your routine. The sleek and modern design features a comfortable, ergonomic fit, while the integration of open AI technology ensures smart features that enhance convenience and security. Whether you're traveling, working, or making a statement, the Carbon AI LED backpack elevates your carry experience with futuristic capabilities. It's the perfect solution for those looking to combine cutting-edge technology with everyday use, offering versatility and efficiency in one stylish package. Elevate your outdoor experience with the Air Cruiser, engineered for adventurers who refuse to compromise. This rooftop tent is not just compact and lightweight, it's self-assembling and ready to deploy in seconds, making campsite setup faster and smarter than ever. Designed with cutting-edge materials and aerospace-inspired structure, it offers record-breaking cabin space while weighing significantly less than traditional rooftop tents. At only 90 pounds, it mounts securely on nearly any vehicle, transforming daily drivers into instant base camps. Inside, the cabin boasts over 7 feet of sleeping length and nearly 4 feet of headroom, perfect for stretching out after a long day on the trail. The weatherproof exoshell and multi-layer insulation shield you from the elements, while the panoramic windows and integrated ventilation keep airflow steady and the views unobstructed. And when it's time to move on, the entire unit retracts with one touch, sleek, silent, and secure. A refined centerpiece with surprising versatility, this multifunctional coffee table isn't just furniture, it's an experience in everyday convenience. Designed to serve more than one purpose, it transforms effortlessly from a classic table into a smart work or dining surface. Thanks to its smooth lift-top design, you get a flexible platform that adapts to your rhythm, whether you're powering through work emails or enjoying takeout on the couch. Measuring in at an ideal living room scale, it combines elegance with efficiency. The hidden storage compartment is spacious enough to hold blankets, books, and remote controls neatly out of sight but within arm's reach. No tools are required for setup. This table assembles fast and stress-free. An extendable surface increases your usable space, making it ideal for entertaining or multitasking. The Duobo coffee machine offers an innovative solution for coffee enthusiasts who crave customization. Equipped with LG Labs' exclusive two-shot layer technology, this machine allows users to create unique coffee recipes with ease. Whether you prefer a stronger brew or a delicate, multi-layered drink, you can fine-tune the temperature and volume using the Smart App Control feature. This technology ensures that each cup meets your personal taste preferences. Designed to simultaneously extract 2 capsules, the Duobo coffee machine enhances convenience, saving time without sacrificing quality. Whether you're preparing for a busy morning or sharing a moment with a friend, this feature delivers rich, flavorful coffee in seconds. The Infinity Tool 2.0 is a powerful solution for anyone who needs an adaptable, high-performance tool at their fingertips. Designed to be durable and flexible, this tool offers a variety of practical uses for both everyday tasks and unexpected challenges. Made with platinum silicone loops that provide excellent grip and flexibility, the Infinity Tool allows you to secure items quickly and efficiently. The stainless steel stud links increase its versatility, ensuring it can handle almost any job you throw its way. With an impressive 70 pounds of pull strength per tool, the Infinity Tool is designed to multiply its power with each additional wrap. 3 wraps deliver a remarkable 210 pounds of strength. The Infinity Tool can be customized in terms of size and color, available in black or glacier, and comes in packs with 2 8-inch and 2 16-inch tools.